Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Droning. It's the 21st of February, Wednesday, 2024. We're back at Anfield Road for another expansion update on the progress. It's match day also. There's a few workers around, but I guess a lot of them are going to have to start clocking off very soon. Just the odd few jobs still to be done here or there. It is a bit windy, but I am going to fly. I might pop back later also, just before the game, and walk around Anfield Road to see how the weather's looking. So, but if you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. A few workers on that first floor doing something. Got a few tidying up little jobs ready for hospitality fans to arrive to enjoy the game tonight against Luton. Hopefully we'll pick up the win. Pain in the arse that we're having to play an extra game this week while Chelsea put their feet up, but we've had it all against us this season, haven't we? So we just have to get on with it. We are Liverpool. We'll get over these hurdles as they keep throwing them at us. Anyway, without further ado, let's get the drone up. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne. We're not going to go too high, we're just about 45 metres. It is a bit windy than I would have liked. We're going to start by the Shankly Gates and have a look how far around the block paving they are. And as you can see, the temporary tarmac already. I'm not going to go too far because the stewards have turned up ready for their shift. It's just that final section by the looks of it. So we'll go down for some ground footage and also check on that cladding also. Ground footage, just looking up at the cladding, it's nearly complete. Try and zoom in a little bit. You can just see there's odd little thin strips need to be added to the edges, and a tiny little bit right at the end also, and a little bit more up the shoulder section. Obviously there's a little bit of tidying up to do around these windows. You see the holes in the top corners of both of the windows. As for the paving, it's still on that shoulder. That's temporary tarmac put down ready for tonight's game. If you look to the right, the coping stones, these are a little bit smaller than the ones over there, so I just thought I'd show you those. That's Anfield Road from this end, by the Shankly Gates. I just added this little video also at the end, just to show you from a different angle what I was explaining about the cladding just before, just so you get the idea. You can just see the cladding that's been put on. Some of it looks longer, that's not. It's just the thin strips they've put on the edge. So there's a little middle section there you can just make out. That's got to have a thin strip on the end, and then that will be like flush level all the way down. And then it's just that section on the shoulder to be continued. So we're back in the air. We're gonna, as you can see, there's a couple of odd workers still, but I think a lot of them are going to be clocking off. As I said on the intro, they're doing some odd jobs at the back of Anfield Road, and I believe right landscapes. I've started planting this section here, which is probably the boggiest and wettest section behind the wall there. A few more to go in, but yeah, they've just got to work with the conditions, unfortunately. But yeah, it's looking good. It's looking really good. we'll go down for a different view. We're just looking over the landscape section before the wall, near the shoulder. You can just see how wet and boggy the ground is here. They have started planting all the shrubs, which looks good. It's just a bit of a problem, all that water that lays on the top. But I just thought I'd stop off and show you that. And we're back in the air. Yeah, all the sheeting is off the seats and everything now, so hospitality is waiting for the supporters. Hopefully we'll see 3 points happen and a victory over Luton. Carry on going along the back. Obviously there's a little bit of temporary tarmacking down there. It's been there for a good while also. I'm going to go back on the ground floor, show you some more footage of what's been going on by the Anfield sign. Show me back down there. Just joining me for another ground clip. Yeah, you can see the underneath section of the ceiling, all the metal strips they put in now. So they've been working a lot more on that. And where you can see the outside section, like the backing plate, you can see similar underneath also, going away all the way around. Makes it look a lot smarter. They're just busy giving the windows a bit of a clean, make it look really welcoming for hospitality when you arrive tonight. So yeah, every little job matters on Anfield Road. So as you can see, all those metal strips have been added underneath. So it looks like they're going to be sorting out that ceiling section, the entrance, probably in the next week or two. We're going to carry on going towards the right. I mean, there are some like TV crews there in the yard area, but it's not televised in this country because it clashes with the Champions League apparently, so there was an agreement in place that we can't show the game in this country. So it is what it is. It's a bit of a pain, but... And now we have the biggest cladding job that's still left to be done. I will put on a little clip also looking right up underneath it so you can get both angles. I'm not sure when this section will be done, but let's just get the other shoulder finished off first. And as you can see underneath from a different angle, still quite a bit to be done. A lot of thin strips have got to be added still before they even put the biggest sheets on. Just going to zoom out and drop a bit. Wind warnings. So even every little job around Anfield Road, whether it's plants, the cladding, all these jobs are finally getting done. I will fly over just to see if that little section was chalked off the list. I think it is now. There we have it. This is the final ground footage. The section that's been finished off. Looks brilliant, doesn't it? Nice neat finish to the beginning of Anfield Road. As you look down to the stand itself, you can just see from this angle all the cladding on the shoulder, and right next to the main stand there's a fair bit to be done there too, all the way up towards the back. So we'll get back to GB in the air to finish off the video. Hopefully I'll make it back tonight for a walk around the stand itself, on the road itself. There we have it. The Anfield Road and the stand itself. bit by bit, all the pieces of the jigsaw puzzle are starting to be put in place. There'll be another video from me on Friday. I'm off work then also. I will try and pop down later, just before the game or even during the game. I won't be watching it on the TV for sure, that's for sure, with the regulations. So, and I'm off Sunday also, and then I'm off all next week, so there'll be videos hopefully all next week. So there's a lot to come still on the channel. I will be also hopefully doing one from Bramley Moor just to see how that goes, and then there'll be another video I'll be releasing soon of what this channel is going to be showing you soon. Most of it will be football related, and I think this is where we're going to wrap this one up all. Yeah, little jobs are getting done. It's making the bigger jobs look better. If you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. This is where we end the video all. Thanks for watching. Take care wherever you are in the world. Bye for now.